We want maximum number of people to be there.
Saturday सांची गया. तुम्ही जर समजा कोणी ऐकायला किंमत जायना जाल्यार सॅटर्डे सांची गया पाचाक.
गोवाचे लोक आणि वास्कोचे लोक हांगा जमलेले आसा हे पब्लीक हियरींग आमी थंयसर जागो जो आसा तो पावना आमचे चडांत चड लोक हेच्या पेक्षा 4 गुणा जास्त लोक आयज तांकां वयर हॉलान येवपाक मेळना.
कर्नाटकात असली सेम पब्लिक हियरिंग has been cancelled, has been rejected because all the people have to be inside the hall to be able to see your presentation first and to be able to listen to all the others who speak. This is their fundamental right.
Now you decide, you are on the chair, you decide what the public they want. Public they want that you should be change the venue and they want a bigger venue. Why you cannot take a decision on this now?
Want to know from the MPT what has been done. Therefore, you have to listen to each and every people. You have to listen to each and every people. जे public hearing झाला की जे आम्ही सुप्रीम कोर्टात वचून जे भायर पडून तेका लागून जे public hearing झाला आणि expansion झाला for the last 20 years they have not been doing anything. So today we need each and every much further want to know what is happening. Therefore, you give us a bigger place.
लोकांनी नेक्स्ट दुसरो वेन्यू बेटर प्लेस बिगर प्लेस जाला सारकें आहा तें जे भशेन लोक केल्लो त्या प्रमाणे इतल्या लोकांक थिंगा बसोवपाक आनी पब्लीक हियरींग घेवपाक जायनासलें.
Then perhaps they wouldn't have been able to see the presentation. There were no screens as well outside, the venue being small and the crowd being more. There was, and for the purpose of giving every person the right to be heard, I postponed the meeting, the public hearing rather, and the notice will be issued in due course of time.
Now suppose tomorrow same rascals is taken place again at the bigger venue also, then
We will go ahead.
with it.